is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala. Bliss Pharma. Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore. V Bazaar. DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner Youth of GSB.
7 overs tennis ball floodlight cricket tournament is being conducted by Kodial Sports Association of Mangalore. So 12 different teams are participating.
This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor Abran.
Strikers end. So everything seems to be ready here. We have the green signal there by the umpire. And here is the first delivery of the first over from Anant. Anant from the college end, that is from the Abarna Jewelers end, ready to ball the first delivery of the over now. In the right arm, over the wicket fashion with a long run up. Here is the first delivery of the first over. The bowler finding some difficulty and he's back to his bowling mark now. Vadalanke Fighters Mulki is a new team participating in this tournament for the first time. They have got young talented cricketers. They have come up with a positive frame of mind. Sharad Prabhu is leading from the front for Vadalanke Fighters. So here is the first day of the first over. Steers it down to third man region, angling the face of the bat. He just realized that there is no slip, so cuts it off and takes a single. With that single, Ram Shena is straight away off the mark. He opened his account and left-hander Srinath will take the strike now. This match will be played of 7 overs match. The first 2 overs will be compulsory power play overs. So only 2 fielders are allowed to stand outside the 30-yard circle. That means the batsmen have got ample time, enough time to go for some big hits in the power play overs. Let us see what he's going to do now. Left-hander is ready to take the strike now. He's facing Anant. Room outside the off stump and gently pushing the ball to the offside region, crashing drive to the offside. Meanwhile, before the fielder picks up the ball, there is ample time for both these two batsmen to go for an easy single. With that single, Srinath is off the mark straight away. That single brings Ram Shena is on strike. Bowler continues from the Abarna Jewelers end. Anant is a bowler. Short of line delivery, ball is in the air, it could be out of the fielder, is underneath it and straight to the fielder. Suhas Prabhu making no mistake, caught it beautifully, standing at forward square leg region, and first wicket goes down for Indo Super Warriors. So Indo Super Warriors have come all the way from Kerala stage. They are participating for the first time in this tournament. And they have lost the vital wicket of Ram Shenoy, who was able to contribute only one run in his individual account. To replace him, the new batsman now joining is Ganesh Kamath. That's a very, very fine delivery which beats the batsman. The ball went straight to the hands of the wicketkeeper. So no possibility of a run there. The ball pitching onto the off stump and batsman not getting the line of the ball. He just leaves the ball, left the ball to go to the wicketkeeper. The rest of the job is done by the wicketkeeper. Well gathered by Suhas Prabhu, standing well behind the wickets. Down the leg side, batsman wanted to leave that ball because it was traveling to the down leg side region. But at the last moment, the ball hitting the batsman. There is no possibility of a run. No runs added to the total. Score remains on 2. 2 with 1 wicket down. We are in the first over of the innings. Short of the delivery, he finds the gap there. Fantastic, perfect placement there. Long chase for the fielder. I think the ball has crossed the boundary rows for 4 runs. No chance for any fielders to stop that ball. That was a short of length delivery, and batsman played the shot.
Co-powered by Geomat.com. Associate sponsor, Abram Jewelers, Aruna Masala, Bliss Pharma, Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore, Vibazar, DRS Infratech Private Limited, Silent Shows and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy, broadcast partner, Group of GSB.
So welcome boundary for Indo Super Warriors from the bat of Ganesh Kamath. So he is straight away off the mark. So end of the over number 1 after the completion of first over. It is 6 for the loss of 1 wicket. So Kaushik is the new bowler to bowl the second over of the innings from the Puzalana end. In the right arm, round the wicket fashion. That's a very, very fine delivery which beats the batsman. Batsman completely beaten. There is no connection with the bat and ball. Ball went straight to the wicketkeeper's hand. So the fielding team, they have to keep this point in their mind that they have to finish their innings of 7 overs in the allotted 28 minutes. Short of length delivery going down the leg side. Batsman wanted to pull the ball onto the onside, but the ball is not really coming onto the bat. The bat came a bit late, and ball went straight to the wicketkeeper's hand. Sharad Prabhu is doing his job as the wicketkeeper there, standing well behind the wickets. He is the skipper of Vadalanke Fighters, Mulki. Steers it down to third man region, down to short third man, and the batsman left-hander gets a single here. So Sharad Prabhu, he used to play for KBC Karkala, and in the last season he played for Mumbai Paltans. He was the skipper of the team, and also he was awarded as a man of the series player, and he was awarded with a Gixxer bike, which was being sponsored by Pi Sales of Mangalore. So he is leading from the front for Vadalanke Fighters. Yesterday they had defeated Malshi GSB Urva in the very first round match. So they have got 2 points in their pool table. So this is a crucial and important match for Indo Super Warriors to come back into this tournament. Again, fine delivery, clever bowling there, good piece of bowling there by the bowler. Batsman completely beaten. There is no connection with the bat and ball. And wicketkeeper collects the ball behind the stump. So no runs taken, no addition to the total. Kaushik balls from the Puzalana end. This time again straight to the fielder, straight into the throats of the fielder at long on region. The fielder Subhas making no mistake, caught it beautifully. So second wicket goes down. ಹೇಳಿ ಹೌದೌದು ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹೌದೌದು ಹೌದು ಹೌದು So Kaushik is a very successful bowler, picked up that important wicket. He's back to bowling mark now, to the left-hander. Again, the ball is in the air. I think he's out. Yes, it is. Back deficient catch taken by the wicket-keeper. What an amazing catch. Diving to his right, caught it beautifully. So 7 runs on the scoreboard. So everything is good going for Volalanke Fighters of Mulki. After winning the toss, they decided to field first, and the captain has made his intention clear in the way he decided to field first and employed his bowlers in such a good manner, and the bowlers have done exceptionally well here. So they have come up with a positive frame of mind. Sharad Prabhu is leading from the front, and the team owner Ganesh Malya, as well as all the co-owners Preetham Hegde, Harish Shenoy and Ramanath Pai, SVT Square Mulki, are supporting the team, young talented cricketers. So let us see what is going to happen now. The bowler Deepak is ready to bowl now. Third over is in progress. First ball of the third over with a short run up. Right arm over the wicket past the umpire. Ball pitching right in the block hole, and the batsman gently pushing the ball to the offside region. Just giving the touch and going for a cheeky single here. With that single, the newcomer is on strike. So Hari Prasad is ready to face the bowler now. Some change in the field placement is going on here for this right-handed batsman. 5 men on the onside and 4 on the offside. Field has been well spread out now. Both the power plays are completed. Again, gently pushing the ball, steers it down to third man region, angling the pace of the bat. There is a fielder, but before the fielder can pick it up and throws back, there is ample time for both these two batsmen to cross for an easy single. So very slow start for Indo Super Warriors of Alleppey team. Their first match against Pearl City Smashers yesterday ended up with a tie. So they have got only 1 point in their pool table here. We come back to the bowler Deepak from the Puzalana end. Ball was going down the leg side. The left-hander wanted to pull the ball onto the onside, wanted to play their shot to the fine leg region, but misses the line of the ball. The pace deceives the batsman, so no runs taken. Pulled away nicely onto the onside, punched the ball to the short mid-wicket region, and he takes a single here. So Deepak is bowling with such a good line and length that he's not giving any room for the batsman to play. So no extra so far in their innings. That's a good thing for Vadalanke fighters of Mulki. Their bowlers are just bowling with perfect discipline line, wicket to wicket bowling here. They are bowling down the leg side, wanted to flick the ball onto the onside. That ball beats not only the batsman but also the wicket keeper. Meanwhile, they take a single here. So single to the batsman. With the help of that single, their scorecard now slowly moves on to 11 for the loss of 2 wickets. I beg your pardon, 3 wickets down. The 2 batsmen in the middle are Akshay and Hari Prasad. We come back to Deepak now, bows this one. Again, very fine delivery, slower delivery in fact. The batsman was not able to judge the line of the ball. So that is the end of the over number 3. A good over from the bowler. So after the completion of 3 overs, Indo Super Warriors are 11 for the loss of 3 wickets. So change in the bowling position. I think the skipper Sharad Prabhu is going to start the fresh over from the Puzzolana end. He has been brought into attack now. Let us see what he will do. Whenever Sharad Prabhu comes in, something different will happen. So change the bowling position, and meantime change the commentary position also. And for further commentary, I would like to call Mr. Gopi to proceed in Hindi language.
धन्यवाद श्रीमान सुरेश भट्ट जी। और जहां तक सवाल है, सारे दर्शकों का मैं गोपी यहाँ पर स्वागत करता हूं। सुबह का वक्त 10:45 यहाँ पर बज चुके हैं। धूप धीरे धीरे अपने कहर को मैदान पर ढाता हुआ। और जहां तक का सवाल है आज का पहला मैच का, तो पहला मैच यहाँ पर शुरू हो चुका है वडालंके फाइटर्स मुल्की और पर्ल सिटी स्मैशर्स के बीच में। और जहां तक अब तक के हालात का सवाल है, तो 11 रन जोड़ चुका है पहले 3 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद पर्ल सिटी स्मैशर्स। और चौथे ओवर की पहली गेंद इस वक्त गेंद को खेल दिया। गेंद पहुंची शॉट मिड विकेट पर, जहां पर गेंद को फील्ड कर लिया गया। 1 रन का इजाफा यहां पर हो चुका है। सारे जीएसबी भाइयों और बहनों का मैं गोपी यहां पर स्वागत करता हूं। और जहां तक का सवाल है, एक बेहतरीन क्रिकेट श्रृंखला, द सेकंड डे ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट इन फैक्ट, Puzzolana GPL USA 2021 world's number 1 GSB event, which will be progressing along nicely in this beautiful Sahyadri College ground. And the second day of the tournament, और एक मैच नंबर 1 आज इस दूसरे दिन का, और मैच नंबर 10 इस श्रृंखला का यहाँ पर प्रगति पर। और गेंदबाज इस वक्त गेंदबाजी आगे बढ़ाते हुए शरद प्रभु, इंडो सुपर वॉरियर्स माफ कीजिए, पहले बल्लेबाजी करता हुआ। और जहां तक सवाल है गेंदबाजी का, तो गेंदबाज की गेंद को इस वक्त ड्राइव किया शॉर्ट कवर पर। 1 रन का इजाफा यहां पर हो चुका है, और 1 रन के इजाफे के साथ स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है इस वक्त 13 रनों पर 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर। 3 चोटी के बल्लेबाज पेविलियन वापस लौट चुके हैं। राम शेनाय, श्रीनाथ और गणेश कामत क्रीज पर मौजूद। अक्षय और हरिप्रसाद पारी के भागदौड़ को यहां पर संभाले हुए, और फील्डिंग में यहाँ पर जमावट चलती हुई। कुल मिलाकर इस वक्त लॉन्ग ऑन थोड़ा सा वाइड रहता है ना, डीप मिड विकेट बैकवर्ड स्कोर लेग मौजूद ठीक सीमा रेखा के पास। और गेंदबाज एक बार फिर से तैयार, दाहिना तो द विकेट, पटकी विकेट बैकफुट पर गए, गेंद को कट किया खूबसूरती के साथ, लेकिन आफ्टर फर्स्ट बाउंस गेंद पहुंची सीधे पॉइंट फील्डर के हाथों में, जहां पर गेंद को फील्ड कर लिया गया। और इस बीच रन बल्लेबाज को नहीं मिलेगा। स्कोर रुक चुका है 13 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर। एक साझेदारी पार्टनरशिप की इस वक्त सख्त जरूरत पर्ल सिटी स्मैशर्स को, अगर उन्हें एक बेहतर स्कोर यहाँ पर खड़ा करना है। तो स्टंप्स को कवर किया, गेटिंग अ पैड क्लोज टुगेदर, बैट एंड लेग इन फैक्ट क्लोज टुगेदर, एंड प्लेड दैट वन लॉन्ग नाइसली इनटू द हैंड्स ऑफ बॉलर ऑन हिज फॉलो थ्रू, एंड देयर इज नो पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ एनी रन। चौथा ओवर यहाँ पर प्रगति पर, और एक बार फिर से गेंदबाजी आगे बढ़ाते हुए। ये गेंद इस बार हल्के से गेंद को इस वक्त पुश कर दिया, बैकफुट पर जाने के बाद पटकी हुई गेंद थी। और जहाँ तक सवाल है रनों का, तो रन्स नहीं मिलेगा। एक कसी हुई गेंदबाजी का सिलसिला जारी रखते हुए गेंदबाज वडालंके फाइटर्स मुल्की के, और निस्संदेह रनों के लिए कड़ा संघर्ष यहाँ पर करते हुए इंडो सुपर वॉरियर्स के बल्लेबाज अगली गेंद, ये गेंद ऑफ द टोस, खूबसूरती के साथ गेंद को ग्लांस कर दिया स्टंप्स को कवर करने के बाद, लेकिन जिस तरीके से बल्ले को घुमाया गया अंतिम क्षण में जब गेंद बल्ले पर टकराई थी, टोटली गेंद बल्ला पूरी तरह घूम चुका था, इस वजह से गेंद मिडल ऑफ द बैट कनेक्ट नहीं हुए और इस बीच 1 रन का इजाफा हो चुका है। इससे पहले कि शॉट स्क्वायर लेग पर गेंद को फील्ड किया जाता है। 4 ओवर की समाप्ति, 4 ओवर्स कंप्लीटेड, इट्स 14 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट। स्टिल द बैट्समैन ऑफ Pearl City Smashers searching for the right track. Exactly 3.5 runs per over. The present run rate is now going on here for them. And still in overall calculation, it's going to be 3 overs remaining. And let's see how many runs they are making in this remaining 3 overs with the help of remaining 7 wickets. Match number 10 and a match number first of the day 2 of Barcelona GPL Utsav 2021 is now progressing here. And right after this match, the match number 11 will be played between Kodial Super Kings versus Royal Eagles Kasaragod. And that match is now coming up live exclusively right after this match. So back to this game. The battle is now on. और गेंदबाजी शुरू करते हुए इस वक्त आभरणा एंड की ओर से दीपक का इस वक्त गेंदबाजी शुरू करते हुए फील्डिंग में जमावट यहाँ पर चलती हुई और धीरे धीरे धूप की तीव्रता इस मैदान पर इस वक्त बढ़ती हुई सुबह के 11 बजते हुए ठीक तरह से कहा जाए तो 52 पास 10 दैट मीन्स 10:52 यहाँ पर बज चुके हैं और यहाँ पर गर्मी का एहसास खिलाड़ी करते हुए दर्शकों की तादाद दर्शकों की संख्या इस वक्त कुछ ज़्यादा तो दिखाई नहीं दे रही है, लेकिन हम उम्मीद अपेक्षा करते हैं कि जैसा जैसा वक्त गुजरता जाएगा दर्शकों की संख्या में भी यहाँ पर वृद्धि होती जाएगी और इस उम्मीद अपेक्षा के साथ अगले गेंद पर हम यहाँ पर बढ़ते हैं। दाइना तो ऊपर विकेट गेंदबाजी करते हुए ये गेंद इस बार फ्लाइटेड गेंद थी, ऑन साइड पर गेंद को स्टोक्स को रोक लिया था आखिरी मौके पर, गेंद टॉपेज पर टकराई, हवे में उछली और शॉर्ट स्क्वायर लेग पर गेंद को फील्ड कर लिया गया। इस बीच 1 रन का इजाफा यहाँ पर हो चुका है। 15 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर। इट्स 15 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट्स इन द ओवर नंबर 5 in progress in fact and still 2 overs to go after this one. हल्की सी हवा मैदान की दाईं से बाईं और इस वक्त गुजरते हुए जिस तरह से सीमा रेखा पर स्थिर जीपीएल के झंडे जिस तरह से लहरा रहे हैं, कुछ झंडे जरूर इस वक्त लहरा रहे हैं, तो इस वजह से अंदाजा लगाया जा सकता है कि हवा का रुख काफी धीमा और यहाँ पर इस ओवर की अगली गेंद को लेकर गेंदबाज तैयार और गेंद को इस वक्त पुल करना चाहता, गेंद टॉपेज पर टकराई, शॉर्ट फाइन लेग पर पहुंची और इस बीच 1 रन का इजाफा यहां पर हो चुका है और 1 रन के इजाफे के साथ स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है 16 रनों पर 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर। इट्स 16 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट्स इन द ओवर नंबर 5 इन प्रोग्रेस। एक लंबा रन अप गेंदबाज की ओवर का और गेंदबाज इस वक्त गेंदबाजी आगे बढ़ाते हुए राउंड द विकेट। इस वक्त ये गेंद ऑन साइड पर गेंद को उछालना चाहा, थोड़ी सी उछाल लेती है ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर की ओर निकलती हुई और गेंद सीधे पहुंचे विकेट कीपर के हाथों में, बल्लेबाज को वंचित करने के बाद और इस बीच रन से बल्लेबाज को नहीं मिला और डिसेंट पीस ऑफ बॉलिंग परफॉर्मेंस कंटिन्यूइंग हियर फ्रॉम द बैट्समैन फ्रॉम द बॉलर। नाउ ये गेंद लॉफ्टेड और इस बार गेंद हवे में फील्डर गेंद के नीचे आते हुए और इस कैच को बखूबी लपकने में सफल विद अ परफेक्ट जजमेंट। ऐसा कहना पड़ा कि just not quite get that one right from the middle of the bat and he paid the penalty for that. गेंदबाज एक बार फिर से तैयार, ये गेंद रिवर्स शॉट खेलना चाहा और गेंद एक्स्ट्रा क्विकर गेंद थी, गेंद सीधे पहुंचे विकेट कीपर के हाथों में, बल्लेबाज को वंचित करने के बाद अभी भी रनों के लिए कड़ा संघर्ष करते हुए बल्लेबाज इंडो सुपर वॉरियर्स के और कुल मिलाकर ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा वलालंकी फाइटर्स मुल्की के गेंदबाज बेहतरीन गेंदबाज यहां पर करते हुए गेंद को उछालना चाहा, चूंकि आखिरी मौके पर इस गॉट अ डिफ्लेक्शन ऑन दैट और इसी के साथ एक और विकेट यहां पर गिर चुका है। ऑन साइड पर गेंद को उछालना चाहा था और बल्ले का बाहरी किनारा और आखिरकार विकेट कीपर ने कोई गलती नहीं की। So 16 for 5 and fifth wicket gone. और जहां तक सवाल है ओवर्स का, तो अब तक कुल मिलाकर कितने ओवर्स फेंके गए हैं? 5 ओवर की समाप्ति यहां पर हो चुकी है। 16 रन बन चुके हैं 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर। और निस्संदेह इस वक्त इंडो सुपर वॉरियर्स काफी संकट की स्थिति में यहां पर नजर आता हुआ। और 2 ओवर का खेल अभी भी बाकी, 5 विकेटें सुरक्षित। और देखना यह है कि इन बचे हुए 2 ओवर में बचे हुए 5 विकेटों की मदद से इंडो सुपर वॉरियर्स के बल्लेबाज और कितने रन यहां पर बटोर पाते हैं। जीपीएल उत्सव 2021 2021 एडिशन 5 पुजलोना जीपीएल उत्सव 2021 इन फैक्ट। और जहां तक सवाल है, और इस बीच आनंद स्ट्राइक इस वक्त लेने के लिए तैयार। गेंदबाजी शरत इस वक्त गेंदबाजी शुरू करते हुए, फील्डिंग में जमावट यहां पर चलती हुई। सुबह का वक्त, दिन धीरे धीरे दोपहर की ओर बढ़ता हुआ, और इस बढ़ते हुए वक्त के साथ साथ धूप का कहर भी इस मैदान पर बढ़ता दिखाई देता हुआ। और जहां तक गर्मी का सवाल है, तो गर्मी का एहसास इस वक्त ना सिर्फ खिलाड़ी बल्कि जो गिने चुने दर्शक मैदान पर मौजूद हैं वो भी इस भीषण गर्मी का एहसास यहाँ पर करते हुए। और ओवर की पहली गेंद लेग स्टंप पर आती हुई, गेंद कौन साइड पर मोड़ना चाहता, लेकिन आखिरी मौके पर गेंद और बल्ले का कोई संपर्क नहीं, और गेंद सीधे पहुंची विकेट कीपर के हाथों में। रन से बल्लेबाज को नहीं मिला। आज सुबह ठीक 10:30 बजे आज का पहला मैच का शुरुआत यहां पर हुआ था, और ये गेंद चिप किया ऑफ द टोज, लॉन्ग ऑन पर फील्डर काफी पीछे, लेकिन एकमात्र रन बल्लेबाज को मिलेगा। दूसरे रन के लिए दौड़ पड़े, थ्रो पहुंचा, निशाना लग चुका है, लेकिन बल्लेबाज मैं समझता हूं क्रीज पर अपना बल्ला रख चुके हैं। नॉट आउट घोषित स्क्वायर लेग अंपायर द्वारा। और इस बीच इस गेंद पर बल्लेबाज बाल बाल बचते हुए, जब निशाना स्टंप्सों पर टकराया था तो निस्संदेह बल्लेबाज का बल्ला बैट जो कि क्रीज पर लैंड कर चुका था, तो इस वजह से नॉट आउट घोषित। सही निर्णय अंपायर का, स्क्वायर लेग अंपायर का, और 2 रन का इजाफा यहां पर हो चुका है। 18 रन 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर। श्रीनिकेतन और विराज जो कि काफी अनुभवी अंपायर्स यहां पर इस मैच के लिए अपना अंपायर का किरदार बाखूबी अदा करते। ओह, दिस कुड बी डिजास्टर, दिस इज एन डिजास्टर। नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड के बल्लेबाज काफी आगे निकला है, और रन आउट यहां पर होता 1 ऑन स्ट्राइकर एंड पर। विकेट नंबर 6 डाउन। तो यहां पर विकेट नंबर 6 गिर चुका है। 18 रनों पर 6 विकेट के नुकसान पर नए बल्लेबाज का आगमन हो चुका है शाम का। और गेंदबाज इस बार, ओह दैट इज एन ब्रिलियंट एंड जस्ट वी हैव टू वेट फॉर द थर्ड अंपायर। तो इस बार देखना यह है कि बल्लेबाज का बैकफुट विकेट चटकाते समय उठा था, लिफ्ट हुआ था या नहीं। तो थर्ड अंपायर का सहारा इस वक्त लिया जा रहा है, और देखते हैं थर्ड अंपायर इस वक्त क्या निर्धार यहां पर देते हैं। Really, that was an absolutely fantastic delivery, much straighter line, बिल्कुल सीधी रफ्तार के साथ गेंद आई थी। गेंद को फॉरवर्ड फ्रंट फुट पर जाने के बाद गेंद को खेलना चाहते थे, लेकिन गेंद टिप्पा खाने के बाद थोड़ी सी उछाल लेती हुई बल्ले के थोड़ी दूरी से गेंद निकली थी। बल्लेबाज को बीट करते हुए, बल्ले को बीट करते हुए, और गेंद सीधे पहुंचे विकेट कीपर के हाथों में। और फ्रंट फुट पर खेलने, स्ट्रोक्स को खेलने के प्रयास में क्रीज से अपना बैक फुट उठा चुके थे। और इस वक्त सवाल यह उठता है कि जब विकेट कीपर द्वारा चटकाए गए थ्रो को, गेंद को रिसीव करने के बाद, तब बल्लेबाज का बैक फुट जो उठा हुआ था वो वापिस क्रीज पर लैंड हुआ था या नहीं। तो इस वक्त थर्ड अंपायर इसका परिशीलन करते हुए, और खेल जो कि कुछ क्षणों के लिए इस मैदान पर रुक चुका है। और जहां तक सवाल है अगले मैच का, मैच नंबर 11 of the tournament and match number 2 in fact of the day is now coming up live and exclusively right after this match between Kodial Super Kings versus Royal Eagles Kasargod. And because of that I request to the both teams players to please get ready for the next match. कृपया अगले मैच के लिए तैयार रहें। कोडियाल सुपर किंग्स और रॉयल ईगल्स कासरगोड के सर्व सदस्य। तो इस वक्त निर्धारण आना बाकी है और जहां तक सवाल है, खिलाड़ी फील्डर्स इस वक्त मैदान पर कुछ बैठे हुए कुछ खड़े हुए और इस वक्त निर्णय का इंतजार करते हुए। And the decision comes and that is out. तो निस्संदेह जिस तरीके से मैंने फरमाया था, जब विकेट उखाड़े गए थे, जब बल्लेबाज का बैकफुट जो को उठा हुआ था, और जहां तक सवाल है, सही निर्णय अंपायर थर्ड अंपायर ने इस गेंद पर दिया। राजारत्ना सर ने यह निर्णय दिया था आउट के रूप में, थर्ड अंपायर के रूप में, और यह विकेट यहां पर गिर चुका है। विकेट नंबर 7 down and now it's 18 for the loss of 7 wickets. They are looking deep in trouble. So the number 9 batsman is now coming out to the middle. और वो इस वक्त क्रीज पर कदम बढ़ाते हुए काफी जिम्मेदारियों के साथ, और इस वक्त उनके सामने ये मुद्दा ठहरता है, इंडो सुपर वॉरियर्स के बल्लेबाजों के सामने ये मुद्दा ठहरता है कि वो बचे हुए 3 विकेटों की मदद से अपने बचे हुए ओवर्स को यहाँ पर पूरे करें। और गेंदबाज इस वक्त तैयार। शरत गेंदबाजी आगे बढ़ाते हुए लेग स्टंप से बाहर, दिशाहीन गेंद, और 1 रन का इजाफा इस बीच हो चुका है वाइड के रूप में। 19 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट्स इन द ओवर नंबर 6 इन प्रोग्रेस। और यहाँ पर सिर्फ 3 विकेट सुरक्षित। इस वक्त ये गेंद लेग स्टंप पर आती हुई गेंद को एक बार फिर से खेलना चाहा, कंसेक्यूटिव वाइड्स अपनी सही लेंथ और लाइन को इस वक्त तराशते हुए 2 लगातार वाइड्स इस वक्त फेंक चुके हैं गेंदबाज, और 2 अतिरिक्त रन एक्स्ट्रा रन प्रदान कर चुके हैं तोहफे के रूप में, उपहार के रूप में, और स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है 20 रनों पर। एक बार फिर से गेंदबाज तैयार, ये गेंद फुल टॉस, पुल किया, टॉप एज, मौका डीप मिड विकेट फील्डर के लिए, और इसी के साथ ये विकेट यहां पर गिर चुका है। ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा, नॉट क्वाइट मिड विकेट, इज गॉट द टॉप एज एंड फाइनली डीप मिड विकेट फील्डर मेड नो मिस्टेक। विकेट नंबर 8 डाउन, इट्स 24-8। तो शरद की गेंद थी और फील्डर थे विवेक, जिन्होंने बेहतर जजमेंट के साथ इस कैच को लपका डीप मिड विकेट पर। और तो स्कोर इस वक्त रुक चुका है 20 रनों पर 8 विकेट के नुकसान पर। 20 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स। गेंदबाज शरद एक बार फिर से तैयार, लेग स्टंप पर आता, और इस बार एक बार फिर से वाइड नंबर 3 इन दिस ओवर। 21 नाउ फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स। और जब कभी भी आप विकेट उखाड़ते हैं तो अगली गेंद पर आपको सतर्क गेंदबाजी करना जरूरी होता है, और यहाँ पर दिशाहीन गेंद फेंक दी थी गेंदबाज ने, और एक अतिरिक्त रन प्रदान कर चुके हैं। ये गेंद अच्छी गेंद थी, एक्स्ट्रा क्विकर, लगभग बल्ले के अति निकट इस वक्त टिप्पा खाते हुए बैकफुट पर जाकर गेंद को खेलना चाहा, चूंकि बॉटम ऑफ द बैट गेंद को कनेक्ट होती हुई गेंद पहुंची शॉर्ट थर्ड मैन पर, जहां पर गेंद को फील्ड कर लिया गया, और 1 रन का इजाफा यहां पर हो चुका है। स्कोर बोर्ड इज नाउ मूविंग अप टू 22 नाउ फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स एंड 6th ओवर has been came to an end, and now the last over remaining in that innings, and let's see how many runs the batsmen of Pearl City Smashers will make in this remaining last over with the help of just 2 wickets.
ह्या ओव्हरच्या कुडले म्हळ्यार इनिंग्स ब्रेक अंतू नेक्स्ट मॅच जावचे कोडियाल सुपर किंग्स आणि रॉयल ईगल्स कासरगोड आज 2 कॅप्टनांनी येवन प्लेयर रजिस्ट्रेशन कोरका इनिंग्स ब्रेका वळारी ह्या इनिंग्स लास्ट ओवर चलता आसा ह्या ओव्हर जल्ली कुडले 2 टीमाचे कॅप्टनांनी प्लेयर रजिस्ट्रेशन कोरका।
धन्यवाद गोपीनाथ जी। और जहां तक सवाल है गेंदबाजी का, गेंदबाजी इस वक्त शुरू करते हुए आदेश गेंदबाजी इस वक्त शुरू करते हुए, और जहां तक सवाल है फील्डिंग के नजरिए का, तो शॉर्ट थर्ड मैन गली इस वक्त मौजूद, कवर पॉइंट पीछे की ओर जाते हुए, एक्स्ट्रा कवर तैनात, जबकि लॉन्ग ऑन बिल्कुल सीधा। अब एक्स्ट्रा कवर और लॉन्ग ऑफ के दरमियान एक फील्डर को थोड़ा सा वाइडर तैनात किया गया। डीप मिड विकेट पर फील्डर इस वक्त मौजूद लंबे स्ट्रोक्स रोकने के प्रयत्न में, और आदेश इस वक्त गेंदबाजी शुरू करते हुए। अंतिम ओवर शुरू होता हुआ पर्ल सिटी स्मैशर्स, माफ कीजिए, इंडो सुपर वॉरियर्स की पारी में। और ओवर की पहली गेंद लेकर आदेश इस वक्त तैयार। ये गेंद इस बार ऑन साइड पर गेंद को उछालना चाहा। शाम बल्लेबाज थे, गेंद को ऑन साइड पर उछालना चाहता, लेकिन धीमी गेंद थी और आखिरी मौके पर गेंद की लाइन पर नहीं आ पाई। गेंद लगभग उनके कमर पर टकराई और वहीं पर गिर गई और विकेट कीपर आगे की ओर आकर उन्होंने गेंद को फील्ड कर लिया और इस बीच रन बल्लेबाज को नहीं मिलेगा। अंतिम ओवर और अभी भी रनों के लिए जूझते हुए बल्लेबाज इंडो सुपर वॉरियर्स के शाह इस बार आदेश की गेंद उछालना चाहा। एक बार फिर से परिवर्तन के तौर पर धीमी गेंद थी और विकेट कीपर ने विकेट जरूर बेल्स जरूर चटका है, लेकिन बल्लेबाज का पिछला पैर क्रीज पर मौजूद था और इस वजह से सब कुछ सुरक्षित। स्कोर रुक चुका है इस वक्त 22 रनों पर 8 विकेट के नुकसान पर। इट्स 22 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स इन द ओवर नंबर 7 एंड लास्ट इन प्रोग्रेस इन देयर इनिंग्स। और गेंदबाज एक बार फिर से तैयार। दाहिना तो ओवर द विकेट, गेंद पटकी हुई गेंद स्टीयर किया बैकफुट पर जाने के बाद बैकवर्ड थर्ड मैन फील्डर काफी पीछे। एक बार रन मिलेगा, दूसरे रन के लिए दौड़ पड़े और यशस्वीतम दूसरा रन पूर्ण करते हुए। हालांकि बैकवर्ड थर्ड मैन और डीप कवर पॉइंट के दरमियान जो फील्डर मौजूद थे उन्हें थोड़ा सा दौड़ लगाना पड़ा था और जब तक वो गेंद को फील्ड करे, थोड़े से मिस फील्ड के बाद अपने दूसरे प्रयत्न में बल्लेबाज के पास मौका था कि वो तेजी के साथ दूसरा रन चुरा ले और इन 2 रनों के साथ स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंच चुका 24 रनों पर 8 विकेट के नुकसान पर। 24 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट। जस्ट 3 बॉल्स नाउ रिमेनिंग इन देयर इनिंग्स। और आदेश इस वक्त गेंदबाजी करते हुए एक्स्ट्रा क्विकर कंपेयरिंग टू द प्रीवियस वन एंड इट्स एक्स्ट्रा क्विकर बट मिसिंग 2 फॉर आउटसाइड द ऑफ स्टंप एंड अ वाइड डिक्लेयर्ड बाय अंपायर। 1 रन का इजाफा और 1 रन के इजाफे के साथ स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है 25 रनों पर 8 विकेट के नुकसान पर, जबकि 3 गेंदें सिर्फ अभी भी उनकी पारी में बाकी। आदेश गेंदबाजी आगे बढ़ाते हुए शाम के लिए। दाहिना तो बढ़ता विकेट, ये गेंद धीमी गेंद ऑन साइड पर उछाला है, मौका हो सकता है फील्डर नहीं जी नहीं, गेंद पर नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे और यहाँ पर बल्लेबाज के लिए जीवदान और 2 रन। ऑन साइड पर उछाला था जरूर लेकिन बल्ले के बीचों बीच कनेक्शन नहीं, टॉपेज पर गेंद टकराई, हवे में उछली, लेकिन भाग्यशाली रहे बल्लेबाज की गेंद डीप बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग और डीप मिड विकेट के दरमियान टिप्पा खाती हुई खाली क्षेत्र पर नो मैंस लैंड पर और इस बीच 2 रनों का इजाफा यहां पर हो चुका है। 27 2 गेंदें अब बाकी। 27 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स और आदेश ये गेंद ऑन साइड पर, दिस कुड बी गॉन ऑल द वे, नो इन फैक्ट इट टेकन जस्ट इनसाइड द फेंस, firmly struck but played that one against the wind and he paid the penalty. The ball lost its speed at the last moment and comfortably held just inside the fence by the fielder. और बेहतर कैच इस वक्त तलब का 9वां विकेट गिर चुका है and it's now 27 for 9 with just now last ball remaining in their innings and also they got last wicket in hand. So the last ball of their innings is now coming up and number 11 batsman is at the non-striker end is Vivek. Meantime the striker is Satya and the last ball comes right arm over the wicket. Adesh bowls ये गेंद इस बार गेंद को खेलना चाहता ऑन साइड पर, टॉपेज पर गेंद टकराई, शॉट थर्ड मैन की दिशा में गेंद पहुंची गली की दिशा में और इस बीच रन आउट हो चुका है एंड सो द इनिंग्स इज अप। One shot declared by umpire. In fact, no run added to the total. और क्रीज को बिना छुए दूसरे रन के लिए दौड़ पड़े थे बल्लेबाज नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड पर और इसी के साथ 27 रनों पर देयर इनिंग्स व bundled out for just 27 runs in their stipulated exactly 7 overs and now the target for Volalanke Fighters Smolke is 28 and as far as the required run rate is concerned exactly 4 runs per over they have to score for victory. 4 रन प्रति ओवर के औसत से रन्स बनाने हैं वोलालंके फाइटर्स मुल्की को इंडो सुपर वॉरियर्स के खिलाफ 28 runs they have to score in the stipulated 7 overs with the average of exactly 4 runs per over with the help of 10 wickets. The present equation shows for them और देखना यह है कि वो इस लक्ष्य तक पहुंच पाते हैं या नहीं। फिलहाल उनकी पारी यहां पर शुरू होगी चंद लम्हों बाद, तब तक एक छोटा सा ब्रेक हम लेते हैं और छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद आज पहली बार फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन द डे मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा मेरे काबिल दोस्त अंग्रेजी में सतीश को। अंग्रेजी में सतीश को जब पारी की शुरुआत होगी वोलालंकी फाइटर्स मुल्की की एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद. And now it's time for DJ. And now it's time for DJ and also for a break.
नेक्स्ट मॅच आहे कॅप्टन्स नेक्स्ट मॅच कोडियाल सुपर किंग्स आणि रॉयल ईगल्स कासरगोड हंगीलमध्ये चलचार आसा दोन टिमा कॅप्टन आणि हांगा स्टेजाला येऊ का स्टेजाला येऊन प्ले रजिस्ट्रेशन कोरका म्हणून निमून घेतात आसा आणि दोन टिमा कॅप्टन आणि तुमगेल्या डिसिशन आलोचन कोरून येऊन तेदनाची सांगल्यारी भारी लायक
धन्यवाद. और 28 रनों का लक्ष्य और सतीश बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी
अरुणा मसाला, ब्लिस फार्मा, जयलक्ष्मी विजय मैंगलोर, वी बाजार, DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner, Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors, Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor, Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala, Bliss Pharma, Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore, V Bazaar, DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Broadcast partner, Youth of GSB. This event is brought to you by Kodial Sports Association. Title sponsors, Puzzolana. Co-powered by Geomart.com. Associate sponsor, Abran Jewelers. Aruna Masala, Bliss Pharma, Jayalakshmi Vijay Mangalore, V Bazaar, DRS Infratech Private Limited.
Silent Shores and Spa Group, owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy.
Cricket lovers, and it's Satish Salyan in English. Once again, welcoming all cricket lovers for the second day of this most prestigious Fuzulona GPL Utsav 2021. What a fantastic atmosphere! Just like that was a similar condition what we had yesterday afternoon. The condition looks to be very good here, as a strong breeze out here in the morning is passing between the ground, and it looks like it's going to be a wonderful atmosphere, and we are waiting for some good day as well, the second day of this cricket tournament. Coming back to this match straight away, match between Wolalanki Fighters Mulki versus Indo Super Warriors. Coming back to these two teams, I think the Indo Super Warriors, they won their first match, and certainly they wanted to get two more points by winning this match. But coming back to repercussion, the tied match, they got only 1 point. So the very important for here is Indo Super Warriors. They grabbed the opportunity to get the 2 points here, but here the fielder is not really grabbing the opportunity to take the catch. So when you are depending a small total like a 28 to win this match, you need to grab this opportunity, because first ball itself is an opportunity for the fielder in the mid-off to take the catch, but the fielder couldn't manage to move very quickly towards the ball, and ball just falling short of him, and batsman got a life straight away. And Prajwal Kamath, who got his first run, and at the same time Wolalanki Fighters Mulki, they got their first run as well. Dead ball signaled by umpire. Rohit, the bowler, introduced from the commentary box, and that is Abharan Jewelers, and left arm over the wicket balls. Rajat drives that on right between mid-off and bowler towards the deep long off region. Before the fielder from the deep long off to rushing towards the ball and gathers the ball, returns that one quickly to the hands of bowler. Batsman got ample time to complete the single. With that single, scoreboard moves on to 2 on the board. Rajat is off the mark with that single, and scoreboard moves on to 2 on the board. Here is again Rohit bowls. Batsman going for the expansive drive without coming to the line of the delivery. Nowhere near the pitch of the delivery. Pays the penalty for that. The first wicket back into pavilion of Wolalanki. Thank you, DJ, for your very melodious music because this is not much of a melodious for Valalanki Warriors because they lost their first wicket, but might be it was a very melodious here for Mangalore Indo Super Warriors because they got their first wicket and the wicket of Prajwal Kamath is back into pavilion. Replacing him, Sharat Prabhu, one of the top all-rounder for the side who got a man of the match for the previous match. And lovely shot. Look at that technique. Absolutely. Very sound indeed. And the way the batsman played that ball shows the batsman technically very sound. Off the toes. Just, of course, the ball is in a little bit puller and delivery. But batsman delivers that one quite nicely. The sweet, that instrumental sound came from the bat of the batsman. That means he's a very good timer of the ball as well. 3 for the loss of 1 wicket. This time, looking for the expansive drive. Got a really healthy edge. Wicketkeeper behind the stump couldn't manage to reach the catch. Of course, he's just extended his hand to take the catch, but just having a fingertips and quite luckily that that ball is just landing in front of that slip fielder. Otherwise, it's going to be one more opportunity for the fielding side to pick the wickets. Valalanki Fighters, Mulki, they're chasing 27 to win, 28 to win the match. Trying for the full shot here. We are talking about the technique of Sharat Prabhu, who's really technically very sound. Of course, a little bit short pitch delivery, but might be the ball is not really coming to the bat. The slower bouncer and batsman missed it.
हल चेक लैवारी पळित शनि यूथ ऑफ जीएस बिजाय अनेक इवेंट जीएसबी साधकी अजय वोटिंग स्टार्ट जाला www.gsbsadaki.com वचून तुम्ही वोट घालका आभरण टाइमलेस ज्वेलरी आणि यूथ ऑफ जीएसबी सर्वनु या कार्यक्रम करता आसा तुमगेल फेवरेट कंटेस्टंट हाका बदत आणि अचीवर म्हणून तुमका दिसला रे तांकां वोट घालका www.gsbsadaki.com म्हणून आमी निमून घेता आसाच
नेक्स्ट मॅचाचे टॉस जालेलो आसा कोडियाल सुपर किंग्स टॉस विन जावन फिल्डिंग येतील आसा
What a shot! That will hosting over towards the deep mid-wicket boundary for a maximum. Fuzulona sixer of the day number 2 came from the bat of Rajat. Thank you, DJ. Already there the ball started. Rajat is on fire. He's on fire. Once again, he's looking for the expansive drive on the onside. Need collection, but didn't got that much of placement what he was looking for. He picked up a single. What a great shot that was from the Rajat. Just hoisting it over. Ball is in the slot and effortlessly with the direction of the wind, he's just got the distance what he wanted. And because of that sixth, they really got into the right track of winning this match. 11 for the loss of 1 wicket. Here is Ganesh Kamath, bowls, copybook style, beautifully played that one down to mid-on by Sharat Indrad. He's using his feet very well. Look at the front foot, he was stretching his front foot. That was a good sign of a good cricketer, reaching to the pitch of the delivery every time. And it makes so easy for him to get some rotate the strikes. This time, Rajat going for the big shot. Ball is in the air. Will it going to be a chance here? Yes, it is. The deep backward square leg fielder takes the catch. And Rajat's innings comes to an end. 12 for the loss of 2 wickets. Thank you, DJ. The Smith from Mangalore. Thank you very much for entertainment here. But of course, it was now entertainment for the fielding side. They got a wicket. The danger man, Rajat, departs looking for some expensive drive. He's in a little bit aggressive mode after getting that 6. He wanted to get one more, but he pays the penalty for that. Full toss delivery. Batsman negotiated very well. Of course, even that was a full toss, but not that much of a juicy full toss. I will tell you that was height of the full toss. Very difficult to hit any big shot here. That's why Sharath plays it down to mid-off region to pick the single. Expensive over, a wicket-taking over altogether by... In this over, I think Indo Super Warriors are... Walalanki, Mulki, they are 13 for the loss of 2 wicket. So coming back to that dismissal, Gopi, just seeing that Rajat is going for the pull shot, not that much of shot enough, isn't it? And every time when he was going for the pull shot, backward pull shot, I think Rohit Sharma from India in the present cricket is one of the best puller of the ball. And that's what Rajat actually hit 1-6. That was a fantastic one. But second one, not that much of shot enough to play the full shot, and he pays the penalty for that. 13 for the loss of 2 wicket. 2 overs completed. Now, just coming back to the equation, 7 overs match, 5 overs remaining, 30 possible deliveries remaining. They have to get another 15 runs to win this match. Equation really favoring Walalanki cricketers. This time Sharath looking for the pull shot. Again, not quite able to get that one from the middle of the bat, but a little bit he's got a little bat onto that, so that ball travels down to short fine leg, and the batsman got ample time to complete the single. With that single, scoreboard moves on to 14 on the board for the loss of 2 wicket. Half of the job is completed, and they have to complete another half of the job. That means 14 runs required from 29 balls. Here is again Rohit bowls beautifully, ball right on the block out, but batsman negotiated very well. Vivek Indradesh just watching the ball till the last moment, seeing the ball that was on the middle and off stamp, and quite beautifully played that one down to short mid wicket region for an easy single, walkable single. With that single, scoreboard moves on to 15 for the loss of 2 wicket. What a day we are having, the second day after that successful day 1 yesterday. Of course, there was a grand inaugural ceremony. C.P. Yogeshwar, the Tourism Minister of Karnataka State, inaugurated in the evening under the floodlight. And he was just mentioning about this tournament. Certainly is very happy to see the ground, especially he was talking about the ground seems to be just like you're watching the international cricket. And here is again Sharath Prabhu looking for the big shot, try to pull that one. The umpire says not out, and no damage done. Might be the ball is going down the leg stump. No chance at all for getting leg before wicket decision. Umpire Shriniket, and at square leg umpire Vijesh. 2 youngsters. It was really nice to watch, isn't it? The 2 youngsters, of course, the starting their career as umpire, along with the experienced umpires like Rajaratna sir and Rajeshwar sir, and even my left, we are having my good friend Mr. Atmaram. And here again, they picked up a single here, quick single, good running between the wicket, good understanding as well. Sharath Prabhu, of course, running towards the danger end, and he was a very good runner between the wicket and a very good judger of run as well, so that he picked up a single quite easily in the end. 16 for the loss of 2 wicket in the over number 3 in progress. Just 2 deliveries left in this over as Rohit Kamath, left arm. Oh, beautifully played. Look at the placement. They're running hard before the fielder from the deep will going to collect that one. Batsman got ample time to collect a couple of runs here. Excellent placement there from Vivek Prabhu in the delegation. Of course, ball is in the air for a while, but it was safely played between cover point and backward point. And he got a couple of runs as well. 18 for the loss of 2 wicket in the over number 3 in progress. Rohit Kamath. Wow, short pitch delivery. Batsman rocks back and tried to pull that one, but not quite able to do that so, as he was not really going back quickly. And dotted delivery to finish the over number 3. Then, after completion of over number 3, it's 18 for the loss of 3 wicket. That means they're going exactly 6 runs per over. Time for DJ to play some melodious song.
Co-powered by Geomat.com. Associate sponsor, Abram Jewelers. DRS Infrared Private Limited. Silent Shows and Spa Group. Owned by Dr. M. Jagannath Shenoy. Broadcast partner, Youth of GSB.
Thank you, DJ. Thank you so much. Fuzulona JPL season 5 is really going to be one of the most prestigious world's #1 GSB event played in its most beautiful cricket ground here in Adyar. That was none other than Sahyadri College Ground, and with the nature's beauty. And again, the first delivery of the over number 4, batsman Sharat Prabhu going for the pull shot. Again, not quite under that ball in that occasion, so that he couldn't manage to get the placement right, couldn't manage to get the timing right, so that score like fielder fields the ball. A batsman picked up a single. 19 on the board for the loss of 2 wickets. Another just 9 runs required for the victory. Hari Prasad, man who took on catch in the deep mid-wicket region to send Rajat in the negation. Appeal for stump out. Umpire Shriniket says, of course, the batsman is safe. Vivek Prabhu looking for one more blind attempt to play the big shot on the offside edge. Maybe the encouragement here for the batsman to see that there is no fielder in the deep long off. There is no fielder in the extra cover. We can see that the wicket deep offside region, so the batsman looking for the big shot on that region misses completely, and there's no possibility of any run again. This time the line is a little bit down the leg stump. Vivek Prabhu might be a little bit early into that strokes. He wanted to hit down to deep backward square leg, missed it completely, and there is no possibility of any run. Beautifully ball, fantastic delivery there from Hari Prasad, just reading the mind of the batsman, seeing that batsman always try to hit the strokes towards the onside region, just changing the line of the delivery. That was a clever piece of thinking, the Hari Prasad, just bowling away from the bat of the batsman. And now straight away Sharat Prabhu coming down the wicket, giving some advice to Vivek Prabhu how to play that kind of deliveries which is bowled by Hari Prasad. This time, hosting it over, just over the head. It was a clean hit, one bounce collected by the deep long on fielder, and batsman got ample time to complete that couple of runs. Lovely looking drive there from Vivek Prabhu, one of the safest stroke to play, straight over the head of the bowlers, as straight as an arrow. Picked up a couple of runs, and with that couple of runs, they're coming very close to the victory. 21 for the loss of 2 wickets. Once again, looks like it was identical mirror display of previous strokes as well. They're coming back for the second. In comes the throw. I don't think there is any opportunity here. Of course, if it is directed, might be it was a close call here for the umpire Vijesh there, but ball misses the stump. Batsman not missing the opportunity to come back for the second. 2 more runs added to total, and now total score moves on to 23 on the board. Just 5 runs 5 runs required for the victory here for Valalanki Fighters Mulki. Thank you, Smith, again for this beautiful and melodious music. And already there was the sounds of bands we can hear. That was absolutely a festival atmosphere out here in this most beautiful cricket ground. Just 5 runs away from the victory of Valalanki Fighters to register their second victory. Of course, they won their first match. That was the inaugural match yesterday. They defeated Malsi GSB Urva quite comprehensively. That was they're taking that the confidence level into this match as well. And they're looking like they're going to get another the big victory here, because just 5 runs away from the victory. Any magical bowling from Indo Super Warriors, then it's going to be the easy victory here for Valalanki Warriors. No need to worry at all, because they got 8 wickets in hand. Here's the first delivery of the over number 5. Looking for the reverse sweep, Sharat Prabhu. But they wait for the umpire signal, whether any contact with the bat, but doesn't. It looks like umpire Vijesh going to give a little bit of Shriniket give a bye signal. That means wicketkeeper behind the stump missed the ball completely. There's no contact with the bat. One more addition to total. Scoreboard moves on to 24. Just boundary required. Right above the wicket balls. Sensible batting. Absolutely sensible batting there from Vivek Prabhu. Just tapping the ball in front of point region to pick the single. Now just 3 runs away from the wicket. Can Sharat Prabhu will going to finish the match in a style? Because 3 runs away from the victory. He's batting on 6. Here is Ganesh Kamath again. Went for the reverse sweep. Again, not quite able to beat. Of course, he beat the infield, but not quite able to get in more than single in the dedication. Protection there in the deep backward square leg. A little bit of deep backward point, in fact, because batsman trying for the reverse sweep. And I thought it was a left-hand batsman playing that strokes. But even in the present cricket, each and every right-hand batsman using that technique of playing the reverse sweep. And again now, appeal for leg before wicket, and he pays the penalty for that. Of course, Vivek Prabhu trying for the reverse sweep. The ball is in a midland off stump. Definitely that was the wicket hitting delivery. Ganesh Kamath got a breakthrough. Thank you, DJ. And along with the thanks to DJ, I think I would like to give special thanks to all the staff members of youth of GSP Worldwide YouTube channel. Done a fantastic job to get absolutely magnificent and very quality coverages of this cricket tournament. And special thanks to the computerized scorer right of our commentary box, Vinayak Mumbai. Done a fantastic job as a computerized scorer. Of course, we have 6 cameramans, Sahil, Tushar, Jitendra, Vedang, Aniket, and Navnath, who done a really fantastic job for the success of this cricket tournament. In a set of room, Sandesh, Yash, and Praveen. Meanwhile, batsman looking for a quick single. Sharath Prabhu is one of the very good runner between the wicket, not really missing the opportunity to get the strike, get that single. Then runs are, I think it was equalized. Scores are equalized, 27 for the loss of 3 wickets, just 1 run away from the victory. To register their second victory, and they will going to grab all 2 points. Walalanki looks like Mulki, they are in a winning run. Appeal for leg before wicket, a full toss delivery. The last thing which is they wanted to do here, the Mangalore Indians, they have wanted to pick 1 wicket, but they are just missed that opportunity. And 5 overs completed, 27 for the loss of 3 wickets, and now just single run required for the victory. After this match, the match will be played between Kodial Super Kings versus Royal Eagles Kasaragod. A very important match for both the teams. Kodial Super Kings, they lost their first match against Mangalore Indians. At the same time, Royal Eagle Kasaragod also, they've lost their first match against Amchigela Chirke Bangalore. That means both the teams, the must-win match for both the teams. That means we're expecting some great battle from these 2 teams for the victory. Meanwhile, here I think they're in almost 99.9% is in the hands of Walalanki Mulki. They're just 1 run away from the victory. And the striker Shuhas is gone. He's gone. 1 more wicket is back into pavilion. 27 for the loss of 4 wickets. Thank you very much. The celebration is on, even though they lost the wicket, but they're still dancing there because knows that they're just standing in the edge of victory. Just a 1 run required for the victory. They will going to enjoy because why not? This is going to be the second victory for Walalanki Mulki if they're going to get single run for the victory. Full toss delivery and match finished in a style. 1 bounce over the road, down to deep backward square leg boundary for a 4 runs. Thank you, DJ. So, the comprehensive victory in the end here for Walalanki Mulki. They got the second victory in these league matches, and looks like they're in a winning run, and that will going to grow the